Welcome. Day 2 of our strength challenge. Let's warm up our bodies. Just move gently, bring the arm up, step the foot back, head and chest up high. We want to focus on our alignment, our posture, core engagement this week so that we can move safely and effectively and get to that 28 days feeling stronger, more energized, and ability to just do the things that we love with more strength, more ease, more sense of wonder and awe. Arm comes up a little bit further. Maybe you come up just a little bit onto the balls of your feet. Feel your spine decompressing. Get long. All right, last one there. Arms up, nice and high. A nice gentle twist. Let's really get the back warm. We keep our arms up nice and high. We're building strength in our shoulders while we create this amazing mobility. As we go through our 28 days, let's keep in mind that our muscles know no age. Whether we're 9 or 90, we can stay strong. We just got to show up consistently. We don't need to be in the gym every day. Just light, gentle movement done on a daily basis will keep us strong, physically and mentally. Breathe. Head up high. Keep those arms up. Start to feel a little burn in the shoulders. Yes, bring that on. We are going to challenge ourselves. We'll keep it light and gentle today. We're just going to build that wonderful foundation. All right. Real nice athletic stance. Feet shoulder width apart. Squat down just a bit. Shift your body weight from side to side. Bicep curl. Make a nice fist when you come up. Squeeze it. We're building grip strength, bicep strength. One of Einstein's most famous quotes was that imagination is more important than knowledge. If you think you're strong, if you can envision yourself getting stronger every day, you absolutely will. Certainly we got to do the work. But imagine yourself, say to yourself, I am strong, I am strong. Really make a great strong fist. And the way that we get stronger every day with just body weight movements is that we're doing compound exercises. There's so much happening right now. We're building strength in our legs as we squat down a little bit and move side to side, increasing the mobility in our hips, building amazing bicep, forearm, grip strength. When we flex like this, the triceps getting involved. So many movements, so many muscles getting used. That's how we build strength in just 10 or so minutes and in 28 days. I am strong, I am strong. Yeah, all right. Feet come together just a little bit. Narrow the stance a bit. Squat down and open up the chest. Breathe in, exhale. A physical exercise paired with a breathing exercise. Oh yes. We build strength in the physical body. We connect to our breath. We calm the nervous system. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out. Just keep moving, keep breathing. Move with awe wherever you're at. Modify each movement to suit your needs, but just bring all your awareness right here, right now. You're building strength in your legs, mobility in the ankles, hips and knees, upper back, shoulder strength. There's just so much going on with this simple movement. Maybe it doesn't feel easy. That's all right. That's good. We'll get there. Wait for 28 days. But piece of cake, Drew. I know what you're talking about. Not simple, not easy. Yes, one more. Dopamine engaged, boost mood, elevate energy every day. That's the 28-day guarantee. Nice wide stance. We're gonna double up again. We're building leg strength here. Our legs are our pump. That's the most important thing. I know when we were teenagers, we wanted beach body arms and six-pack abs. Well, at least I did. No more. Gotten wiser. That remains to be seen. Squat down just a little bit and bend over to the best of your ability. Great for the obliques. We're building balance when you come up a little bit off. You're raising your heel up off the ground. And again, breathe into the movement and know, muscle knows no age. I'm getting stronger every day I show up for myself. I really do think of this as readiness. That's what we're doing. We're readiness for life. I can climb stairs, carry my groceries, bend over and tie my shoes, lift up the grandkids. Hallelujah. Last couple here. Okay. Arms come up nice and high. And see if you can't bring your hands together as you raise your knee. Now this is an incredible compound exercise. We are working on so many different muscles here. And maybe you're not there yet. Maybe the movement looks like this. Well, that's great. What a great way to assess ourselves and see where we're at in 28 days. So just do your best here. Bring the leg up as high as you can. Reach the arms up and back as far as possible. Remember to keep that great posture. Head up high. Breathe into the movement. And maybe it's too easy for you. So you want to do something a little bit more dynamic. Well, what about walking backwards while you do it? Move around your space if you like. Close your eyes. We're all at different places. Choose your own adventure. Challenge yourself. But breathe. And let's move. Look at what I can do. How amazing. And speaking of Einstein, he always said, I'm not the smartest person, just the most curious. Let's remain curious about everything, the way our body works, the things it can't do yet. Let's be curious about the person who maybe likes a certain politician or a political party that we don't align with. Let's be curious about, why do you like that? Tell me more, please. Curiosity keeps us connected rather than judging. Then we stop judging ourselves so much. Woo! Liberating. It is. You're perfect where you're at. And it's perfect that you want to show up every day and get just a little bit better. Last one. Ooh, can you feel that in the body? The shoulders? I certainly can. Let's just shake it out a bit. This little movement up on the balls of your feet. Shake everything out. Building circulation. Really boosting up that inner energy. We're up on the balls of our feet. Engage the core. So much of what we're doing here for core stability. Okay. Just a nice, gentle twist. Good for assessing. How did this session go? Do I feel a little bit more mobile? Do I feel a little stronger? Oh yeah, I am strong. Twist a little deeper to really get that back body ready for the day. Oh, all right. One last, let's practice our balancing. Same movement, again, really simple, not necessarily easy. If you have something for support, please use it. Arms out. Most importantly, your posture, your alignment. Engage the core. Just bring your leg up. Just do what's best for you. Again, if you need assistance, use it. Wonderful. Pick a spot, laser-like attention. We build focus, concentration here. We're building strength. Amazing balance. Head up high, shoulders back. Just have a real sense of integrity in your body. And if you slip and stumble, be grateful for the opportunity to get a little bit better. Excellent. Ooh, I'm not there yet. Oh, last couple. Oh, thank you for being here. I feel amazing. Oh, spend one more moment with me, please. Let's continue to build strong minds, the ability to pay attention, concentrate, pick one spot, wherever it might be. Give it laser-like attention for 30 seconds and stand with real strong posture. Head up high, shoulders back. Just feel the strength and the energy just flowing through your body as you give all your attention, all your awareness to that one spot. Let's go. Day 2 completed. Well done. Please put out a comment, share a win. If you're here on our school site, there's a win section. If things are going really well for you, share it so everybody can read it. We lift each other up. This is a community that is here to inspire each other. Keep us accountable, keep showing up, and we will get stronger every single day. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.